Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken kebab skewers. This is a recipe I make for my family. We are always on the go, we're running around, my schedule is insane. So I make them, we put them in the refrigerator. Instead of eating unhealthy food, we take one out, we either put it on a pita or eat it with salad, and we are done. So I wanted to share this awesome recipe with you guys because it is Basant style. So I'm going to go over the basic ingredients with you guys really quick. I have the skewers soaking, but I'm using fancy skewers. You can use the regular ones, no biggie. I have 3 pounds of chicken breast cut in medium cubes and cleaned. Red bell pepper, orange, yellow, and white onions about 1 inch thick in cubes. And for seasoning mix, I'm going to have everything in the description box as usual. So I'm going to go over it. It's ground garlic, salt, paprika, coarse black pepper. We have parsley, oregano, olive oil, and lemon juice. So this is it. We have the simple ingredients in. Now I'm going to make the skewers and I'm going to show you the entire process. It is super simple and you guys are going to love it. So we're going to start off with about 3 tablespoons of regular olive oil. I like to use extra virgin. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to use the Cajun rub, about 2 tablespoons because I like it a little spicy. The mix for the Cajun mix, I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of Cajun rub, and the seasoning for the Cajun rub I'm gonna have in the description box as usual. I'm gonna put a little parsley flakes for color, and I'm gonna put like a pinch of salt because I go make my Cajun rub low sodium. So I'm gonna mix it in really good. So lemon juice is gonna start breaking the chicken down, and you don't have to use Cajun rub. If there's a rub or seasoning with low sodium that you like from a store, use that. It doesn't make a difference. I like things with heat and they have a little bite to it, so I like to go for Cajun rub. But if you guys like something, please go ahead. So I have the chicken marinated, vegetables cut, I have the skewers soaking, and we have the staging area. Now it's time to make skewers. Favorite part, I like to go bottom up. Keep a rag handy so you can switch hands. Pepper, onion. I like extra onions, so I'm gonna put 1 extra. Chicken, and you just repeat that process. Orange, color coordination, I like. My kids kind of look for it. They look for my little imperfections in my color coordination. I like it. Alright guys, the kebabs are ready, or the skewers. They look gorgeous. Beautiful color coordination, symmetrical, and they're gonna cook even perfect. Now, we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start grilling. I'm gonna make a little seasoned oil in 1/2 cup of it. Do 2 pinches or about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of paprika, and dry parsley. So now I'm just gonna fold this in, and the last I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So what this is gonna do is we're gonna hydrate the kebabs as they're cooking and give a little extra flavor. That what makes it Basant style. Now move to my favorite part. I'm gonna grill it. I'm gonna hydrate them as we cook. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna start flipping them, and then we're gonna start rehydrating. Wow. I love when we start to get the grill marks on them. Make sure your grill is always nice and clean, it's brushed. so you don't have extra flare-ups or unwanted fires and all that stuff you need to know, you know. Look at the beautiful grill work that's getting done on it. Wow. I love grilled chicken and grilled vegetables. Wow. And that seasoned oil does the trick. A few more minutes and it's done. We're good to go. Alright guys, the chicken is done. We're gonna take it off the grill. Look at the gorgeous grill work on it. It is just amazing. And I love anything on charcoal, especially cooked grilled chicken and vegetables are my favorite. So I like to put a little bit of oil, seasoned oil on it after it's done to hydrate it back up. Alright guys, the chicken skewers are done and look at the gorgeous grill work on them. They look beautiful, they smell amazing. They're nice and juicy. Now we're gonna move on to my ultimate favorite part. We're gonna plate. But I'm gonna plate it in two ways. We're gonna put the skewers down. We're gonna put the grilled pita bread with yogurt sauce, a tzatziki sauce, and I'm gonna make a nice Greek salad. So you have a little bit of all the applications in one clip, and it is Basan style. This is it guys, the skewers are ready and they look and smell amazing. I want you to look at the gorgeous grill work on them, and we are serving it with pita bread, tzatziki sauce, and a simple Greek salad. Guys, this is the food I love cooking. This is the food I make for my family. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basan style. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Pita bread. Tzatziki, salad, off the hook. It is amazing. I'll show you one more time. Fun.